camera crew. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, we're not gonna talk about plants. We're gonna ditch the plants. We're gonna talk about me and my transition. So if you guys didn't know, I am a trans woman, male to female. So if that bothers you, I don't know what to say. Like, you can exit out the video, you could unsubscribe. I'm sorry it didn't work out. Today we're gonna talk about hormones and my hormone update, to be specific. If you go back to my videos, my last hormone update was 5 months, 6 months, something like that. And I did say I stopped taking hormones for a while, which was not a lie. It was like 2 weeks that I stopped taking hormones. So I'm gonna update you guys on how I'm doing now, and if I'm taking them, if I'm not taking them, the effects and everything. But before I start the video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, please do follow me on all my social media at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and I believe that's it. Anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's begin this hormone update that I haven't done in so long. Before I start talking about hormones, I need a drink. I don't know about you. Go get you a drink before I spill the tea. This kind of matches my outfit. Isn't that crazy? So I started hormones in October 2021. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Wait. What month are we? Wait, August. Let me do it again. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So I have 10 months taking hormones, and I did pause for like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I didn't take a break, but there was things that like stopped me from getting my hormones. Like I had car issues and I couldn't make my appointments, so I stopped taking hormones for like 3 weeks. But so we'll say 9 months. I've been taking estradiol 2 milligrams, and I've been taking spirolactone 100 milligrams. Is that even right? I think it is. Well, I'm taking 3 of these, so wait, if I'm taking 3 of these, this is 6 milligrams, and if I'm taking 2 of these, this is 2 milligrams. So I'm taking 2 milligrams of spirolactone and 6 milligrams of estradiol. Yeah. So how did I start hormones? I started dressing up since 2011, and I always liked female things. I like female things. I like dressing up. I like the makeup. I like hair. I like girl clothes. I like heels. I have an obsession with heels. Like, if you go to my closet, I have like at least 20 pairs of shoes. But anyways, yeah, I always love to dress like a woman, and I did come out as gay back in like 2008, I believe, to my brother, not to my whole family. I came out to my dad like when I was maybe like 2 years ago. Yeah, but it just started like that, and I just knew I liked being a female more than a male, so I started cross-dressing. I would do drag shows. I just felt like I looked better as a woman and felt better, and yeah, so anyways, it took me so long to come to the conclusion that I wanted to start hormones, because it, like, there's pros and cons. You really have to think about it, because it affects you having kids in the long run. It also, like, your sex drive, which I'm still waiting. I'm a horny ass bitch and I don't know why like these haven't like toned me down. That's no problem, but one of the main like things that it does, it like it makes you soft and that's crazy. But anyways, yeah, so I start really, oh my god, literally took forever, but he shut the fuck up and now I can continue with the video. Anyways, like I was saying, I started as a gay boy, then I started dressing up, doing drag shows, and I just noticed that I would look so much hotter as a girl and I felt better and like I was more comfortable and I just felt like I was meant to be a girl. So literally like 2 years ago is when I'm like, you know what, fuck this, fuck boy clothes, I'm just gonna start like dressing like a woman. And yeah, I let my hair grow 3 years ago and it was going good. And yeah, I still haven't told my parents though, so if they see this video, please do watch this video, then you'll know. But yeah, I come from like a really strict Mexican family that like is like really like low-key and doesn't even have social media, so I'm pretty sure they're not gonna see this. But anyways, that's one of the reasons that kind of stopped me from like pursuing my hormone goals and transitioning or whatever. But I hit 30 and I just said, you know what, fuck this shit. I ended a relationship that was toxic and this person even told me not to start hormones, which made me like, it gave me the strength to start hormones, to be like, you know what, you're not gonna tell me what to do, I'm gonna do what I want to do. But anyways, yeah, that's the background, and it's been 9 months. And okay, my hair is very long, it's like past my titties now, so yeah, hair is lush. I keep getting baby hairs all the damn time. I yank them out because they're so annoying. They're just like here and they poke me or they poke my eye. And like when I try to do like a cute little hairdo, they're always sticking out, so I just yank them. But anyways, I get a shitload of baby hairs. So hair is growing fast and healthy. I used to have oily fucking skin and still oily, but it's not as oily. I used to break out like, even like 2021, I used to get 1, 2, or 3 pimples, 4 pimples here, in my nose. I get zero pimples because like my oil levels have like dropped, so that's good. Another thing, I know this is gross, I don't really wear deodorant anymore. I just like do a body spray, and my man that I'm dating loves it. He's all like, you smell so good, and I'm like, well, I'm not wearing deodorant. Well, I don't tell him that, but I don't wear deodorant anymore. Like, girls just smell better. They're like flowers, they smell good. Yeah, okay. Now this is like, I know y'all been waiting for this, so boobies definitely grew. Definitely grew. Like when I like put a bra on, I literally have cleavage now, so. And nipples. Oh my god, if I like wear a shirt, like I'm nipping all the time without a bra, and I feel like that's so sexy, but my man doesn't like it. I know he doesn't like it, but with hormones and being more passable, I'm not saying you have to be passable, but I get clocked sometimes, but rarely. So now I can go to the store, restroom, and I notice that people just like, not people, like guys, like go, like ask me if I need help, if I'm okay, if like, I don't know, like I get more attention from guys, like regular guys when I go to the store, like open doors for me and stuff. But when I was a little gay boy, they would just slam them. They wouldn't even give a fuck. So you definitely get extra attention. And yeah, waist, I want to get demonetized. I'll just put a picture. Waist is going in, I'm getting curves, and I'm getting a butt. I had a little butt, now that shit is growing. So oh my god, yeah, it's amazing. I'm just becoming a woman. I feel softer, and yeah, the thing I'm gonna say is just don't stop taking your hormones, because like I said, with 3 weeks I stopped taking hormones, like my titties were deflating. I said it in my other video and I felt weird. But yeah, don't stop taking your hormones. Like, do it as you please. And one of the main things that these hormones like fuck with is my emotion. I'm already an emotional bitch, a needy bitch, because I'm a Cancer. So like, I love to love. I put others before myself. So just ask the guy I'm dating. Like, I'm so freaking needy and I'm so emotional and moody. So hormones will fuck with your emotions, and if you're a cold-hearted bitch, it's gonna soften you and make you a little more softer. Like, definitely. Yeah, so overall 9 months on the hormones. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Best decision I've ever like made in my life. Like, I feel great, really feminine. I'm just like, I'm pretty much in puberty and I love it. I'm in puberty in my 30s and I love it. So yeah, those are the main changes that I've seen. If you want more updates, please do let me know. I'm gonna try to be consistent, but I'm probably gonna do an update in my 1 year. So in 2 months, in 1 year, a full year, I'm gonna do an update to see if there's any changes. If I decided to stop taking hormones because they were fucking me up too much, I'll update you. So if you want to see that, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do follow me at all my social media. And it was nice talking to you about hormones. And if for you future baby trans girls, just do it. Like, don't be afraid. The #1 thing I'm gonna tell you girls is take your time. It took me 30 years to realize that I wanted to take hormones. It's never too late. It's never too late. I'm a 30-year-old woman hitting puberty. That's crazy and I love it. I wouldn't change it. So yeah, thanks for sitting down with me and chatting with me and drinking with me. Oh, I ran out. But I gotta go water all my plants and I'm gonna put this plant back. So bye guys, I'll see you on my 1 year hormone update. And if you can't get enough of me, I'll have a plant video out soon, okay? Bye.